Man, it's Wednesday today, and I haven't really uploaded on TikTok or my YouTube because I just got my teeth plucked like yesterday, and on Monday it already started hurting. That's why I had to get it plucked yesterday. Couldn't really talk because my mouth was numb. But we are back, boys and girls. Alright, let's see what market has to offer. I'm gonna be risking more nowadays since volatile is for market. Bro, it's been long since I talked while recording, man. Last time I did it was on the weekends when I recorded the playbook. But that's fine. Anyways, I would like to see market go higher. We did manipulate these lows, and now we're kind of in a continuation, which is great. We also broke structure to the upside over here. We might retrace into this breaker block. This is also a breaker block, if you're wondering. That there was a downtrend, and this is the retracement. And now we're in an uptrend, and this is also a retracement, so this is also a breaker block. This is the order block, alright? So the one that swept liquidity is the order block. Got tons of shit to do, man. Gotta lock in this this next few months. See what we can make out of it, man. I'm gonna be risking more, but I might take lesser trades. I don't know. Depends on the trades I take. If it's a high probability setup, I'm gonna be risking more. If it's somewhat okay, maybe a B plus or a B, then I'm gonna be risking less, but I'm still gonna be risking, bro. We also might not get entry, which is fine. I'm not looking forward to trade every day. Won't leave behind. We are in the order block right now. Also this breaker. No. But I want to see at least a sweep of liquidity somewhere, bro. This one, I wouldn't really count it. Maybe on... If we could sweep this low resistance, I would love that, bro. Currently in this fair value gap. Let me just remove this, man. If I do take a trade, it's probably going to be on ES because we are way closer to the highs. We just use NQ as a reference. It's on my mind. No. My gum hurts because the teeth I plucked is not in line with any of my teeth. And when I pluck it out, there's like a huge hole in my gum, which now is just a huge ulcer. And it hurts like, I wouldn't say a lot. Doesn't really hurt that much. It's just, you can feel something poking you in the teeth, bro. And if I am talking really softly, I'm really sorry about that. Apologize in advance. It'll be even better if you can take out these hourly lows, bro. Maybe this low on ES. I like this low resistance draw though. Because this is already all-time highs, technically we are closer to the high. This ain't looking too good. We are in a mini downtrend. Respected the shit out of this gap. Now we're respecting the shit out of this gap. Is it the other way? We're not respecting the shit out of this gap, bro. Too much, too much. Hold up, man. Hello? Alright. Anyways, I did kind of look at the charts the previous 2 days, but I mean, there was a great trade to be taken, I guess, but not really, because we just dipped. We didn't really have much price action like retraces into anything, which doesn't really work well with my strategy. I mean, we did have this on NQ 10-10. Which was like here. I guess we could have taken a trade on ES to take out HSS lows yesterday, but I didn't trade, man. TIF was being plucked. Don't think about it too much, too much. Don't think about it too much. In terms of volatility, I would say NQ is better. For the draw of liquidity, we are way closer on ES. So that's something I gotta take notice of and decide on which index I want to take the trade on if I do take a trade. Oh, this song is ass, bro. Young Metro. God damn, Metro. Do, do, do. Damn. 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 We might not get a trade seeing how prices move in this session. Anyways, we're really close to hitting 100 followers on TikTok. Really grateful for that. And then we'll work towards bigger goals like 1K probably. Sorry, wasn't talking, man. Sorry, wasn't talking, man. I was looking at something, I was replying messages. Anyways, where were we? Let's see if we can hit 100 followers on TikTok. If you haven't yet, follow me on TikTok. The link is in the description. If we do go lower, I'm not taking a trade, bro. I'm gonna trade solely off my daily bias and price action. I'm not gonna switch bias midways or whatever. I'm gonna stick to it, and if there's no trade to be taken off my bias, then I just might not take a trade, bro. It's that simple. Let's see if we can break structure to the upside, man. We just took out 5-minute lows. I mean, we did break structure to the downside. I hang with, I hang. It's kind of slow today. We did have PMI just now at 8:30, which was kind of volatile, but it's literally just such a tongue twister, bro. Literally. Anyways, it was just the same as a market open candle, bro. What is news nowadays, bro? The main reason why I'm leaning towards highs, even though we have a lot of low resistance, I believe we just need a retrace maybe at 210, and then we can go higher, because this is just based off the daily profile. We manipulated the lows of Asia session. We had displacement above Asia session highs and London session highs. So now I'm kind of looking for a continuation for New York session. I believe it's the same. Yep, it's the same on NQ, which is great. We got sweep of the low. This was Asia lows. We swept the lows. It's an obvious sweep. We had displacement above the highs, which we also broke structure above. We just took out these hourly highs. If we want to go lower, I mean, I can't complain, because this is just my daily bias, and it's not 100% right every time. And it's great we're getting some movement out of this. It'd be even better if we can sweep out these lows. If I do enter on ES, we only have 3 hourly highs. High time frame highs, so I might take some off at these 15-minute highs, because what am I talking about? because it's also buy side liquidity. When we do take out these lows, we're probably going to take out London lows. Unless this becomes a sweep and we just want to take out these lows, 5-minute lows on ES, which I wouldn't mind either. I just need some sort of lows, either high time frame or low time frame lows to be taken out for me to see price go higher. Because everything, any strategy I use, the main point is liquidity, knowing the draw on liquidity and which draws need to be targeted before we move to any sort of draw of liquidity. I'm not even gonna take it as soon as we close above the 79 line, bro. I'm gonna wait for some break of structure, some confluences. It's time to be patient, man. Because last week, I took, I believe, 4 trades out of 5 days, or 3 trades out of 5 days. I had one really good trade. The one I was really patient with, the one that followed all of my confluences, and I hit full TP on the trade. Even though it did take longer than I wished it did, I still hit full TP, so I'm not going to complain about that. And the rest of the day that I took the trade, it was all losing trades because I was a little less patient. I didn't have much discipline, so might as well stick to the one that works, man. I will stop recording at 10:10 as usual, and then give you guys an update if I do take a trade or if I don't take a trade. Let's just leave it as news. I guess we want to go lower, man. Really not looking forward to take a trade today, just because of what price is doing right now. This is probably just a 5-minute retrace. We might just go for these lows, man. Like all of these lows. These are low resistance liquidity on the high time frame, especially these 3. Have you guys watched the new F1 movie? It's great, bro. The directors of Top Gun, they be going crazy, bro. And I know I haven't been trading on a 1.5k account for a really long time, because I might change it to a live account instead. We'll see. I'll leave the playlist as it is right now. It is still currently at 2 trades and up about $50 or so, maybe 70. I believe it was $70 because I took a $97 winning day and a $20 loss or something like that. So I'm gonna leave it as it is. And if I do switch it to a live account, I will delete that playlist and create a new one. Alright, we're pushing well below the lows. We got 10 minutes till I stop recording, so that's around 40 minutes of recording. Probably another 20 minutes of after recording if I do take a trade, and if not, then probably just 5 minutes, bro. It's pretty slow price action, to be honest. We didn't even get a retrace. I mean for shorts, but I'm not taking shorts today. Wait. You slide. You don't come from the side. You're gonna come to this side. I see my ups to the side. Woo! Not what I like to see on the day I come back to trading, bro. I just went up in my price. We are currently at 90 followers on TikTok. We just need 10 more, man. That's not much to ask. This is gonna be I just went up in my price. I just went up in my price. And it looks like the main move has been made. Anything else will probably take. It's probably gonna be looking like this, bro. Damn, that's not a really good price action if the main move is just to take out these hourly lows. If we did push into this fair value gap, there is a potential good trade, but we didn't, so we didn't even get a retrace. We did break structure to the upside, so we can't break structure to the downside, which means it wasn't a retrace. $10 AM candle didn't even do much, bro. Hickory dickory dock. I just went up in my price. 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 Money in my bank account, this shit precise. I just went up in my price. Buy my course today. It's free of charge. Anyways, like and subscribe. Oh, maybe I should start recording on my phone when I do take a trade. As better proof, instead of just showing my entries and exits. Damn, bro. 5 more minutes and I'm gonna cut this recording. .09 and 0.03. Let's take out these lows. Come on, man, you can do it, bro. Wait, how did the 1 hour candle look? Not ideal, but not But we have lows at the end of the brick block too. You guys been looking at crypto, bro? I mean, I don't really care for it, but I mean, I do have some Bitcoin. Technically all my take profit areas are hit. This shit precise. Probably gonna get some retracement. Daily is still looking pretty good. Honestly, I haven't really been looking at any cryptos since I don't know what's that called, the fake bull run. I just buy them and I leave them alone. Let's see. Yeah, Ethereum is looking way better than Solana. For now at least. It was kind of underbought, or like we just dipped so far for Ethereum as compared to like Solana. We went below all these lows, took out this low. That was the final low we had to take out. But on Solana, we didn't even take out the lows, just barely. It's really messy, my chart, but just don't care for it, man. This is great. But around the 54 cents. I had some XRP at 54 cents. When it shot, I sold some of it. When it dipped, I bought more. I don't know what I was doing, but turns out it was a pretty great idea. The rest is kind of for long-term holding. I don't even know what the rest are, bro. But let's get back into ES and NQ, man. We want the daily money. Oh, come on, bro. Can we get a break of structure to the upside? Oh, wait. It's already 10:10. I'm gonna cut the recording. If I do enter a trade, I'm gonna let you guys know. So I'll see you guys in a bit. If I do take a trade, I'll let you guys know. If I don't, I'll also let you guys know. So I'll be right back, man. Alright. It hasn't really been long. It's literally like 2 candles away. But first, I did enter a trade. I don't know if it's gonna be a good one or not, but I'm still willing to risk it. TP is all the way to here, technically here, but alright, to here. And then, so let me go with the trade first. I could have been way more patient with this, I admit that. And I should have been way more patient with this. But first, we got to break a structure to the upside. It's already not looking that good for me. But we got to break a structure to the upside. We got to retrace. I entered when we retraced into... Wait, hold up. I can't even remember, man. Hold up. There's something not quite alright. Yes, here's where I entered, bro. We retrace into this fair value gap. We got a super as good close out of it. My stop loss is here. First TP is already 2. Risk to reward. That is great. Oh wait, I kinda entered somewhere here, I guess. I'm just gonna do this for convenience sake. This is not my actual entry. It's a little lower and a little higher than this. So I'm just gonna leave it as here. Stops at the low. We're really close to hitting our stop loss, but thankfully we didn't. So that gives us a chance to fight. First TP is 1.5. Last TP is like 1.6. I mean 126. Which is great. I'm gonna be taking my some position off right here, 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 and here, and here, which is ultimately the last TP. So I will come back with another update if I do hit stop loss or my take profits, because I don't want this video to be so long. So I'll come back with an update for you guys. Let's see. Second TP is 1, 2. 1, 2. I can't really see because we're break even. Second TP is 1 to 2.6. Third TP is 1 to 3.2. Fourth is 1 to 4.5. And last is 1 to 6.4, I guess. Yes, 1 to 6.4. I'll come back to... I'll come back with an update for you guys in a while. So, yeah, man, I'll see you in 1 second for you guys. Bro, I stopped recording for 1 minute and we got stopped out immediately, bro. Jesus Christ, bro. Well, not really looking forward to this loss, but what losses can you be looking forward to, I guess? But that's fine. We still got a ton of time ahead. Market will be here forever. We got chances to make our money back. So I am gonna be journaling this trade. So yeah, anyways, we'll go over. Do I have to go over the trade recap again? I literally just did it 1 second ago. But fine, for you losers who weren't paying attention, daily bias was longs. We had a ton of buy side. But that wasn't the main point. The main point was the daily profile, which we swept Asia lows. We swept Asia highs, but we had displacement above that, which is what I looked for in a continuation of the trend. So my daily bias was longs. Same for NQ. Swept the lows of Asia. Swept the highs of Asia. We had displacement. This was technically just a retrace. And yeah, man, we also have low resistance on the hourly time frame, which might get hit later on during the overnight session or the PM session, but I don't trade those sessions, so yeah, took this loss. A pretty heavy loss, about 3% of my account, but that's fine. We'll definitely have days to make it back. So, not off to a great start this week with what's been happening, but look forward to being better, man. I'm gonna leave this here because I need to journal this, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Hopefully tomorrow's trade recap if we do get one. So yeah, man, see you. Bye bye. See you.